Everyone has a need to create something, whether it's through writing, cooking, composing, or even baby making. We all have this innate need to create something out of nothing. In my case, I felt this need 7 years ago. So I attended workshops on how to get started with my creative journey and decided to use watercolor as my medium since it's the safest to the lungs and it was the least messy. I initially just bought some really cheap art materials so I won't get pressured to create something beautiful immediately. Since I was really into hiking at that time, I decided to paint mountains and copied two artworks by Jeremy Collins just to get the feel of it. I discovered that I really like doodling lines because it suited mountains so much. After those two paintings, I just made more and bought some expensive art materials along the way. It's been 7 years since I first started painting and doodling as an adult. I really couldn't say that I got better, but I certainly gained more confidence with daily practice. Since I haven't been painting mountains lately, I decided to make a new one and share a time lapse video from start to finish. Hopefully, this video makes you realize that it's okay if it doesn't look good, as long as you have the courage to start picking up that brush or pen and just start your own creative practice. I decided to darken the sky a bit, but the Jelly Roll pen blend with water, creating this happy yellow accident which I really love because it brought the warmth to the piece.